channel is all about teaching digital marketing, like, ideas, skills, and mindset to achieve digital marketing success. If you are visiting first time to our channel and found any value, please subscribe to our channel for more videos and don't forget to hit that like button. Okay, let's start with today's topic. In today's video, I will show a simple and effective way to do affiliate marketing with 500 million free website traffic. If you are ready for today's video, please comment "I'm ready." In simple terms, affiliate marketing is just, one is offer and second is traffic. Log in Clickbank. If you don't have one, please create one, it's free to use. After logging in, click on the Marketplace button. In this page click on the search button, to know the top selling offers in Clickbank. For this video purpose, I will choose a custom keto diet offer, please free to choose your own choice of products to promote. Come to the affiliate page, where you can use affiliate tools for your promotion. Custom keto diet offer provide almost everything, like articles, ebook, banners, etc. Use this information in the next step, wherever you want. It's time for massive free traffic. Type Quora in your Google. Do you know why I am choosing Quora? Because of its massive traffic. If you don't believe it, see this traffic analytics of Quora. Did you believe it now? Because Quora is getting 500 million traffic. Guys, it's 500 million monthly visitors? So, that is the exact reason why we are choosing Quora. In the Quora main search bar, type the topics or questions related to your offer. I am typing as keto diet plan. And click on the search results. Select the question which is more relevant to your offer. And click on it. Click on the answer button, write a small piece of content, and leave a link to the main article or landing page. It's time for a landing page or bridge page for your offer. This bridge page is the link you are going to leave in the Quora answer, which you wrote in the previous step. Because Quora don't accept affiliate links on their platforms. So, be within the guidelines. Go to Getresponse platform, best platform for landing page and email marketing. I will leave the link below for a free trial to Getresponse. After logging into Getresponse, select the landing page option, and select any template you want to use for your offer. Write a content using affiliate tools provided by the vendor, and leave a link for the product in the article. See for yourself, peoples are getting thousands of views on Quora for free of cost, like 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, and 13,000, it keeps on growing every single day. My friends, this method works, this method is working like fire, many marketers are using out there, please take action. If you put in some work, definitely you will see success in time. If you find any value in this video, please subscribe to our channel for videos like this, and hit that like button. Please, take action. If you want to create a successful automated passive income, please, attend our free online webinar. We promise you that you will get massive value just by attending this webinar. All the links for this video are in the below description.